Oh right, gold 2. It's split. It's you have
Smurfy!
2 inside,
These guys are loud.
2
They're
inside,
rowdy.
and 2 market. Nothing was ropes. I have to go. I'm going through sewers. Sage and Omen go mid. Just hold it. I don't care if you make it to heaven. Just hold. Make sure they don't cross.
I don't like your tone.
I'm asking nicely. I just have a resting dick voice.
They're rotating. They're rotating hard from B.
30 seconds left.
It wasn't perfect.
We can go B. We can go B. Last 3 should be A.
Oh, we're good. We're good. A.
Yeah, push an A, push an A, dog.
One CTA.
Oh,
He's not gonna make it in time.
This is me. This is me. This is me. If we lose, this is on me.
Go!
I'm running.
We don't have time.
That's my bad. I'm sorry. Fuck. I didn't look at the time.
I'm muting these guys.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna keep them up. They seem very
We had 4A.
Oh my god.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Ooh, that was almost good. Just cover him, Jordan.
Don't peek. Don't peek.
Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. They're gonna be on the wall. Nice go.
Enemy down. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Nice!
Nice.
Oh gosh, that was the worst round ever, but we got it. We got it.
Got it. I got it.
Default.
Oh, you want to play default? Okay.
2 mid. 1 B.
Who are these guys? Why are they like this?
Calm down.
Part of my life.
Sova darted A. They're Sova. Quite slow. Good pick.
Good
Split
pick,
B,
good
split
pick.
B, split B.
I'll grab it.
I'm going B main.
I'm coming with King. I'll come tunnels actually.
Go, 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 go.
He has an
Next
op.
yours.
B heaven.
Heaven, heaven, heaven.
Smoking heaven.
But it's a jet. It's a jet.
I'm gonna pre-fire. 3, 2, 1.
Flawless.
Good round. Yes.
Have you guys ever thought about doing a podcast together?
No.
No.
Do you know each
He
other?
lives in a different time zone.
Okay, you do know each other. Okay.
I'm just guessing. He lives.
Oh
in a
yeah.
different time. Why didn't you ask Waffles for that? Why you gotta ask me?
Because I know waffles.
I don't know you.
Default. Hold. Split B, split B, split B.
Mid, 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 mid. They're ecoed. They're ecoed.
I don't know what they want me to do.
Can't read.
I think there's still one.
Go mid. Go
Let's
ropes.
78
Hold
solo
on.
left side.
2 males in male.
Split A. Go away, go away, go away.
Our Brim will probably play for his ult, even though it comes out 3 seconds and it usually.
Shut up!
One enemy remaining.
Fuck the podcast. You guys need counseling. Like,
Yes. CC!
And aim
He's
help.
hit
And
fucking
aim help.
dude, that guy has like
109.
0 health. He was lit 78 already. Oh my gosh.
What? What's gotten healed? The
Hillen, just play
109.
safe. Play your life. Don't even look. You got heaven covered already.
Got healed by who? Jet?
Buying it up. Cause I feel like I'm feeling dangerous.
Dude, you're killing it right now. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Wasn't
First
talking to
time.
you.
Default?
Default.
Give me a D. D. Give me a E.
Split.
She said rope.
Shit, we lost bomb. This is bad. This is really not good.
Kill my ally.
Probably healed, probably healed.
Gotta help him.
3
Yes.
seconds left.
Jets, you right?
Jets ramp. Jets ramp.
I like it. He was down here. A site over here.
Cough on him. 10 seconds though. Do it quick. Yes.
10 seconds left.
Good, keep going, keep going. Oh fuck, he moved.
Nice try.
Nice blind there. Thank you.
Not that I'm a silver.
Nah, you're fine, bud.
No, you're
can't
breach.
with
Not
these
Why do I
guys.
keep getting placed
Brandon.
with silver scrubs, dude? I'm a platinum. I deserve better.
Listen, cold purgatory. Get used to it. We're all stuck here.
I hate myself as much as you
This
guys.
Phoenix
hate the
might
silver.
push, Casey.
Slow.
Faster.
BB heaven.
Faster.
BB heaven.
Faster.
BB heaven.
Wait, let me get a pick A. Just play your positions. All
Go
right.
B. Go B. Go.
Go. Play time. You got plenty of time.
Raptors and heaven.
Player standing.
Sage at 39.
Nice try, King. Half. Yeah, you got half.
Can you not fucking look at the screen and look what's going on? He had half.
Alright.
Stupid newt.
These two guys.
I don't want it.
I feel like he was talking to his stream right there. I think he's streaming. Are you streaming right now?
I kind of want to watch it.
No, my fucking capture card can't get audio right now. My fucking drivers are fucked. I'm gonna drone in there.
Let's
Never
go,
mind.
let's go.
Waffles is a fucking man.
Go.
You're blocking me. Oh no.
Site's clear. Site's
Go!
Planning. Bomb's getting planted. Bomb's getting planted.
Go! We're doing it!
What an alley! We got absolutely annihilated.
I walled it off. We don't spike. What do you want us to do?
I'm gonna ult A. Heard?
30 seconds.
Elbow!
Alley. Watch out for Alley.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Playing mid. I do not care what anyone else thinks.
Hey,
I need to ult someone because I need to do it.
do it, dude. I believe in you.
What's the plan?
I'm trying to sneak behind him on A.
Yeah. Yes.
Last player standing.
Just chilling in the corner, dude.
All right, Waffles. 10,000 people are watching you.
30 seconds left.
Who is this guy?
Heaven.
Who?
Stop saying Keck W. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
He's like trolling now, but it's like
I'm just kidding. I am not streaming. Promise.
I just wish that we had your full attention in this game. Is all I'm saying. I
Low
really.
speed maneuvers, gold 3, 2-minute delay.
2A. Shut up. 2A.
I like it.
2 mid. 1B.
One corner. Blinding.
One enemy remaining.
One more there. Back corner.
Nice. You got it.
Yeah! Let's go! Elbow!
Remaining.
Blinding corner.
Back corner.
I didn't hit.
Push him. Yes. I love you guys. You're my bestest friends in the entire world. At least 2A. I gave ramp. I'm giving ramp.
One's up.
Jet's gonna come up behind you. So bad.
You didn't kill him? What?
I don't know what to tell you.
What are you looking at, dog?
That's at 70.
One enemy remaining.
Fuck, dude.
You're plat.
Yikes.
Yikes, dude.
I love you.
We got a flash right now.
Sounds like an A. How do you guys feel?
Feeling hungry.
They walled off short. They walled off short here, so they're probably going heaven. They could be rotating
out.
too.
One enemy remaining.
Nicely done, guys.
I got it. Oh, it's gonna be B, guys. It's B. Help! Right. 100%.
Blinding.
Bomb's already down.
They're saving.
One enemy remaining.
Got him.
Oh, she's got an op.
It's not bad. There's another one, though.
We have bomb.
Don't peek. You
I
have
didn't know I'm so-
bomb.
You
They
will
walled.
not kill my allies.
They went ramp. I'm blind as hell.
That wasn't even at you.
One enemy remaining.
That's
He
what was
was
on
on
site.
site.
He was on site. He doesn't have bomb.
30 seconds left.
Oh my god! You're a legend!
I don't know if you're intentionally throwing or that was just like a bad play, but like, holy fucking shit, man.
He's the silver. He's learning. He did his job.
What did you
He did his
do?
job.
Oh my
I didn't
God.
hear a bomb drop.
He did his job.
I just heard a lot of screaming, okay?
This is what I love about playing with Waffles.
this
Like,
game.
So, like, well after.
I never like
We're winning this
play
game.
with you. Like, you're on the other side of the map, and I'm like, he's doing fine, and then I hear shit like
B,
that from teammates.
B.
No, don't call that.
One enemy remaining.
One heaven for sure. Last one's heaven. Last
He
one's
was at
heaven.
33
No red.
heaven.
He's going
Yeah.
mid.
Watch your
Mid. Go in A. Go in A. Go in A. Go in A. Go in A.
winnable.
Seconds
Winnable. We could lose this if we try though.
We could still lose. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Good clutch. Okay. Guys, I'm scared.
Hillen, you can go back. Hillen, you can go back.
Yeah, I don't
Hillen,
see
you can go
anything, but I'm scared. There's one.
Mid A. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
left. One enemy remaining.
back. Last one was ramp. Last one was. Oh my God, she has knives.
Seven,
Run!
30 seconds
30
left.
seconds.
Not peeking her. We're playing as a team, as a unit. It's fine. We can play retake.
She jumped. She jumped.
Player standing.
Damn it! Ooh.
10 seconds left.
Nice.
Ooh.
My
Sometimes you're just
guy!
better, dude.
Play slow. Mid. Two mid.
Kill him.
It's fine. It's fine. Just stay where you're at. Everybody stay.
Cam girling garage.
Hold.
Nothing garage. I didn't see anything back garage.
I'm smoked off, eh?
They're mid. They're mid.
So I'm on there.
2A.
Leaving B site, playing retake on B.
Holding mid.
Arrow in 3. Arrow in 3.
It's fine. Play full retake. Full retake on A.
They're like all here.
You want me to
That's
rotate?
fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Rotate A. Play full retake.
He poked out default.
Last player standing.
Please. He's hit fucking wreck.
You gotta push him. You don't have time.
Clutch.
Oh.
Hit him 89. Did you guys touch him at all?
No. Footsteps, eh? Lots of footstep, eh?
Give
Heaven's
heaven. Give
walled off.
heaven. Okay, nice. I love you.
Having A.
One on site. Phoenix hit for 140. They're B waffles. Or A waffles.
They're all underneath heaven. There's more there.
One enemy
Last one's sight. Last one's
Last one's on
sight.
site. Last one's
She
on
doesn't have
site.
bomb down. You can play it slow.
Bomb is there. Bomb is.
She's going elbow.
He's going right.
Nice win, guys.
Yeah,
Nice win.
Fucking head's gone.
defenders win.
Fucking rights, boys.
Let's go, dude.